Okay. I just gonna cook chicken fit Chinese style. This is the best one. Ito yung malambot na malambot. Okay? First, pinry ko muna yung mga chicken feet. Ayan. Ito na yung texture niya. Nag-iba na. Diba? Ito na yung finish. Okay? Tatanggalin ko. Then, isi-set aside ko dito sa aking kasirola. Okay? Yes. Woo! Ate, tanggalin mo ito mamaya, no? Take this out. And then, ayan na. Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na. Para masarap. Then, you have to remove this. Ito yung chicken feet. Tatanggalin ko to. Okay? And then, ilalagay ko to muna. Okay? Tapos, ito yung mga main ingredients niya. I have to put ginger. Ito. Okay? Nasa ko muna itong aking stove. Kasi gusto ko, when I cook, the stove is clean. Okay? And then, the garlic. Oh, sarap! Garlic. Then, basil. Okay? Then, I have to put black pepper. Sobrang sarap nito for sure. Okay? And then soy sauce. Okay? Mas masarap pa to. Chinese chicken feet style. Soy sauce. And then I have to put pwede mo sa mamaya ito, no? Okay, I have to put some star anise. Okay? Here's the star anise. It's just a little bit. It's just 2 to 3 pieces lang. Okay? Then, I have to put... Do we have ketchup? I have to put another powder. Para medyo mag-color red siya. Alam niyo yung binibenta nila sa Chinese restaurant. Yung chicken feet bingsu. Okay? And then sugar. Have to put para manamis-namis. Later on, kung gusto niyo siyang lagyan ng chili, better yung sriracha or chili powder or tabasco. Kaya lalagyan ko siya ng tamis hanghang banana ketchup. Okay. Not too much. Okay? Tapos, lalagyan ko siya ng Sprite. Pwede ring water kung walang Sprite. Ito na. Ako lalagyan ko siya ng water and Sprite. Kaping baso. Okay? Sako na to. I-simmer lang natin na matagal. Mga 1 hour hanggang sa nilagyan ko siya ng Sprite. Bayaan natin kumulo ng kumulo. And then, water. I-boil ko lang yan. Ng mga 1 hour and a half. Oh, sarap. Okay. Tapos, takpan ko. Nasa mataas na heat siya. It's 5. Cover it. Then, bayaan natin wala yung kanyang sauce. Kanyang sauce. Bayaan lang natin later on. Okay? Since yung Sprite, hindi ko masyadong dinamihan, eto siya, lagyan ko pa rin siya para masarap. Kaya lang natin ng kumulong. Cover it. It will cook 1 hour and a half. Since may sobrang Sprite, ang gagawin ko dito, bibili ako ng flowers and then ito ang pantubig ko. Para yung flowers, magtagal. It takes about 2 weeks bago malanta yung mga flowers. Try nyo. It's worth it. Bon appetit!